Hello everyone, Bryan here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be doing the first tutorial that is part of a series to help you get started with Pact. The goal is to eventually have you comfortable with developing smart contracts with Pact on Kadena. To start off, we will first need a dev wallet, which is what this tutorial will cover. More specifically, we'll go over first, installing and making a new dev wallet. Second, creating your dev keys on a test network. Third, adding balance to your dev account. After this, you should be able to start deploying smart contracts on Kadena, which will come in future tutorials. Let's get started. To set up your dev wallet, you can simply use Chainweaver web. This is a very basic browser-based wallet that lets you do most of your dev work, which include writing, interacting with smart contracts within the browser. For more advanced functionality, you will want to install the desktop version, which we will provide the link in the video description. But for now, this should be enough. First, you go to chainweaver.kadena.network and create a new wallet. As I'm doing a tutorial, I'll be copying to a notepad. You're supposed to copy this manually to a notepad or a paper. You have now created a wallet. Next, you need to create your dev keys. These are a public and private key pair. Think of this like creating a new account on the blockchain. Your public key is your public username, and the private key is your password, and should never be shared with anyone else. We can make this within Chainweaver. Since we will be developing on the test network, let's make this on test network. In general, the test network allows us to test things on a fake network to make sure they work before we deploy it to the public. Let's go to the testnet. Go to your keys. Generate a new key. This will create a public facing key, which you can give to devs as you interact with them, and also a private key, also known as the super secret key, to sign transactions. Chainweaver will store the public key for you in the background. Copy the key that you have just created. Go to Account and click Add a new account. Then in the pop-up, paste in K followed by colon plus your public key. This will be your K address. For example, if your public key is 1234, then your account should be K:1234. This is useful for cross-chain security. You should be able to see the account in the list of accounts that you're watching. But with a message like does not exist, this is expected. To create the account, follow the steps below. Time to actually create your test account and deposit some test KDA into it. That is the final step, and to add balance to account. This will allow you to pay for gas fees to deploy and interact with your smart contracts. Copy the public key that you have just made. Go to this testnet faucet and select Create and Fund New Account. Paste in the public key you just copied and press on the plus sign. Now, paste in your K address as the account name. After a few minutes, if you go back to Chainweaver and click refresh, you should see a balance in your account. This should take a few minutes. Congrats! You have finished setting up your wallet and can start doing actual dev work. If you love this tutorial content, remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification, and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Ciao!